So related to internet, guys, go to hp.com, www.hp.com. This is officially website, so we can download a driver. Okay, and extract 3 dot. Then click to support. Then software and driver. Then click to laptop. Scroll down. Type HP Omen 15. Okay, so try to different. So guys, this DC00 like that, and if you're different, so guys select operating system Windows and 10, no other operating system showing here, so no worry about it. If you have Windows 11, so install the network 10 driver. Okay, so next extract the network. So you can see this is Wi-Fi driver. Okay, and this is LAN driver, and you can see this version. So first one, install the Wi-Fi driver. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. Okay, go to slow down and click to download more driver of this model number. Again select operating system and then submit. Then extract network. Then now try LAN. So first is completed. Click this setup. So I show you, so you can check the Wi-Fi driver, wireless. Okay, and this is the frequency. Then click to next. I accept. Next. Next. Okay, then try LAN driver. Next, yes. Next, I accept. Next. Next. Okay, and then restart your system.